I'm gonna be doing a week in my life this week. It's gonna be more like 4 days of my life though, because I'm starting it today, which is Wednesday. And then I'm gonna do Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So yeah. Ow. It's Wednesday morning right now. I just got up a couple minutes ago, made myself a coffee. I'm not doing much today. I have some like schoolwork that I have to do because I'm taking an online summer class. It's like Greek civilization or something. It's pretty cool. But yeah, I've already made myself a coffee. I'm pretty excited for this week, honestly, because I'm actually doing stuff for the first time in forever. I got new bed sheets. Like I got a new duvet cover and it literally is the best thing ever. Doesn't my bed just look so comfy? I literally love it. It's so like puffy. I just got it off of Amazon, but I'm gonna be like kind of redoing my room, like kind of redecorating it. I kind of want to paint that wall white and then just like get a new decor and stuff. Nothing cray, but yeah, I'm excited for that. I'm currently just making breakfast. These are protein pancakes. They're so good. I've been making them for the past like 3 days. This is the protein I use. It has like really good ingredients. That's why I like it. 20 grams of protein per 2 scoops, 100 calories. Sick. But yeah, I'll put the recipe up on the screen here if you want to try it. It's all the flick of the wrist.
Oh, I saw this cool video to flip stuff. You can't really do it with 3 things.
Oh,
but if you had one, craziness.
Yeah. We literally have so many flowers right now. Ready. Beautiful. These are so good. Let me know if you try them. So now I'm just about to go hang out with my friend. We're just gonna go walk around this farm. It has like pretty flowers and trees and stuff. So this is the fit. I'm just wearing jean shorts and like this white tank top and this hoodie. First I'm gonna make another coffee because your girl has a caffeine addiction and it's time for another one. So. Hi. Hi. My puppies are so cute. Look at them. Hi. What's this? Okay, I went outside and it's like a little warmer, so I kind of want to wear this. But like, I don't know. I swear I literally have so many clothes, but when it comes to like choosing an outfit and like putting things together, I feel like I literally have nothing. Anyone else feel like that, or is it just me? I think I might wear this though, with these shorts. Did you see? My hair's also like really greasy. I don't think I have any of this left either. Oh. Wait, is that air? No. Does dry shampoo even work? Or is it just like a scam? Because I feel like it doesn't work. I just like do it. Okay, bye.
screaming.
Well, you heard me. He just abused me and I got it on film.
No, I didn't. I didn't even.
Good morning. It is the next day today. It's Thursday and I'm so excited for today because I'm going to this tulip picking farm with my friend from high school. Super excited for that. And then we're gonna come back here and tan because it's like 21 degrees today. Finally warming up. So yeah, today's gonna be a fun day. This is what I'm wearing. I have this dress on from Beginning Boutique and then this like cream jacket from Zara. Should I wear my cowboy hat? Absolutely not. Okay, but is this not the cutest outfit ever? I'm obsessed. Obsessed. Just waiting on Sophie now to tell me to head over. You smell bad. She looked so scared. Johnny, don't leave me. You said you'd love me forever. Sorry. So we're at the tulip farm. Got Sophie here. Hey. Very pretty. Did it. Ooh, I like these red ones. Oh, Jesus, I think I broke it. Ugh. Got it. Oh, jeez. Sophie, I got a bulb. Are you fucking kidding me? Just put it, okay, push your foot under it and then break it. Okay, that's good. Flower vibes. Nice. We're home now. We're just tanning. Queen. Oh God. Just chilling, drinking some matcha, watching Vampire Diaries. I probably won't vlog again today because I'm gonna go to Jaden's for dinner, so see you tomorrow. Hey, it's the next day now. It's Friday and I'm just going to get coffee with my friend downtown-ish and then we're just gonna want to walk and probably come back here and tan again. So like the exact same thing I did yesterday. This is my outfit. I just have this skirt on from Aritzia and this knit top is also from Aritzia. Has like a little tie at the back. So I'm gonna just make a green juice now because I'm feeling it. So basically for my green juice, I do 1 apple, 1 lemon, like peeled and stuff, 1 little thing of ginger peeled, like that much cucumber, that much celery, and then like a bunch of spinach. So this is my juicer. You just stick the thing in here, turn it on, whatever, and then push it down with this thingy. And I really like it, but the only thing is it has so many parts, so it's kind of annoying to like clean up, but I mean, it's good, so. Okay, so we parked ourselves up under this tree with our foods and our drinks. So we're home now. Me and Sophie are just gonna go outside and tan, sit by the pool. So yeah, I'll talk to you later. Peace. I'm just in my room now working on my online course, and I'm also eating this pasta salad that my mom made. I don't really know what's in it. Pasta, vegetables, chickpeas, and like this cashew Parmesan cheese thing. Pretty fire. And yeah, I just have a quiz to do soon, so I'm gonna do that. Also drinking my green juice that I didn't get to finish this morning. I just put it in the fridge. I literally just spilled it everywhere. I don't know what to do from here. Okay, so it's the next day. It's Saturday. I just got vaccinated. I took my band-aid off, but there was a little mishap, aka I fainted, caused a scene, love that. But yeah, I usually faint sometimes when I get needles, so I told them that I might, so they laid me down, gave me the needle, and I got up and I felt perfectly fine for like 10 minutes, and I was just sitting there in the waiting room, and then I felt it coming on, and I know the feeling when I'm gonna faint, and I felt it, so I got up, went back to the guy, and I was like, hey, I'm gonna faint. And I basically like passed out like onto the floor kind of, and then I just like laid down on the floor. He was like fanning me with like a paper thing, and I was just like lying on the floor. And then they brought in a stretcher. I sat on the stretcher for like 30 minutes, and then they let me go. And now I'm fine, but I knew you were gonna do that. We're just going to Kelly's Landing now to get ice cream. Hey, why is that one sticking its tongue out like that? Here you go. What is going on? They're all hissing at each other. Hello?
Yeah, okay, I'm going.
Jesus.
This is cool.
Hey guys.
There's another feet. Okay, give me some.
Alright. Cottage. What do you got there?
Some stuff. Hitting this big ol' like if what's it called came? Like the people getting the ticket. This is like a
Hey. So I haven't vlogged for the past like day or two. I've just felt like super not good because of my vaccine or whatever. But anyways, I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this like week in my life type of thing. So yeah, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel. I post every Sunday except for this week because I didn't feel good, so I didn't post on Sunday, but I think I'm posting this on Monday. But yeah, I'll see you guys next week. Thank you.